Hi, I've been getting a lot of comments on a video that I posted, I think over a year ago now, where I'm talking about the difference between digital marketing and selling digital products. And I wanted to make another video because a lot of people are getting scammed. And hopefully, if you're watching this, it hasn't happened to you yet. But my goal with this video is to help you avoid scams in the digital marketing side of the internet. So, first and foremost, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is marketing, which essentially is advertising, right? You want to spread the word and encourage people to buy a product or a service or give their money in exchange for something. And the means in which you're doing that is digital, hence digital marketing. So this could be marketing on social media. This could be posting ads, like paid ads on like Facebook or Google. This could even be talking about something on like the radio or on a podcast or something. Digital marketing is just marketing something digitally. If I'm coming off sounding frustrated about this, I'm not frustrated with you. I'm frustrated with all of the scammers and grifters on the internet that are trying to trick people that are in desperate and vulnerable financial situations into starting digital marketing. But the thing that these scammers and grifters are calling digital marketing isn't even digital marketing. They're like using that terminology to describe what essentially is a glorified pyramid scheme. But it's even worse than most pyramid schemes because in this pyramid scheme, you're not even actually getting anything for the value. At least in traditional pyramid schemes, you're selling leggings or vitamins or something. In this pyramid scheme, you're literally selling an ebook that's called How to Do Digital Marketing. And in that ebook, you learn how to sell the same ebook to other people who want to learn digital marketing. And that's all you're learning. That is a pyramid scheme, and that is not what digital marketing is. Do you technically have to use some digital marketing skills in order to actually spread the word about this digital marketing ebook? Sure. But what the people who are encouraging you to buy and resell this ebook aren't telling you is that nobody is going to buy the ebook from you when they can just buy the ebook from the person who made it or the person with the big platform. If a buyer can choose between buying a digital marketing ebook from you as someone who has a faceless Instagram page or doesn't have a big following versus buying that same ebook from someone who has a huge following and who posts a bunch of content about digital marketing and shows their face and builds this weird form of trust with their audience, they're going to buy it from the person who's positioning themselves as an expert. Because by having that large platform, they're essentially showing people, look, this is the proof. This platform is a result of my digital marketing skills. But again, all they're selling you is the ebook that teaches you how to resell the same ebook. That is a textbook definition of a pyramid scheme. They're selling you something to resell to other people, but the thing that you keep reselling is essentially nothing because every single time somebody else buys that same digital marketing ebook from them to resell it, the demand for the ebook grows smaller and smaller and smaller, and the competition of other sellers competing to try to sell the same digital marketing ebook is multiplying. And on top of that, they're telling you that digital marketing is a great way to earn passive income. It's not in that way. If you have to DM people and beg them and convince them and post stories and keep posting on your Instagram every single day, 3 times a day, whatever, in order to actually sell this digital marketing ebook, there is nothing passive about that. All of that takes work and time and effort and continued labor. And because the market is becoming so oversaturated with these ebooks, which again, all they do is teach you how to resell the same ebook, which doesn't make any sense. But because the market is so oversaturated with these ebooks, you're gonna have to do more and more and more and more work every day for less and less and less return. That is not a passive income strategy. You're signing yourself up to do door-to-door sales on Instagram. And that's probably not the dream that you've been sold by these digital marketing influencers. Also, let me just reiterate again that I absolutely despise the fact that they're using the term digital marketing because digital marketing is an actual set of skills that accomplishes a specific goal. And so when you go on Google and you type in digital marketing, the results that you're getting are legitimate results. And it sounds kind of like what these scammers are trying to convince you to do. And so it seems like the industry is vetted, but they're calling their thing digital marketing when it is not digital marketing. I myself sell digital products. I sell digital products on Etsy. The type of digital products that I sell, well, I sell a variety of different types of digital products on my shop, but all of the different products on my shop are designed to help people accomplish a specific goal. And I don't promote or market these products anywhere. I don't spend any time posting it on social media. I don't even share the name of my Etsy shop on my YouTube channel. I don't have to do anything to drive traffic to my Etsy shop in terms of marketing or promoting. The only marketing that I do is search engine optimization, which means that when I list each and every one of my products, I make sure that the title and the description and the tags and all the detailed stuff is written in such a way that makes it possible for the people who are looking for my products to find them. And the reason that I'm able to consistently generate passive income every single month and cover my rent from my Etsy digital products, even though I literally haven't posted on there in like 3 months. I really should probably check on that. Anyway, the reason that that business model works for me and the reason I'm able to actually generate passive income from that, real passive income that doesn't require me to do work on a day-to-day basis, is because there's already people looking for those products. Those products solve real problems for real people. They help them accomplish tasks in their day-to-day life, in their work life. And my shop as a whole is focused on serving a very specific audience. If you want to make passive income by selling digital products, that is what you need to do. Think of something that people genuinely need or genuinely want help with and create a digital product that fills that need. Now, if you're completely new to the world of digital products, and I just said that and now your brain looks like TV static and you're like, girl, what are you talking about? How do I even do that? I don't even know what type of digital product would actually be helpful. I have a super in-depth, like step-by-step video where I share exactly what I do to like find products that are actually selling and see how much they actually make every single month so that way I can make sure it's worth my time. I even walk you through like how to pick a customer and like how you can use your own unique skills and abilities to figure out what sort of customer you want to serve. So if you want to start and you're interested in making passive income by selling digital products, but right now you're at step 0 and you have no idea how to move forward, I'm going to link that video at the end of this one and also in the description box below. Definitely check that out if you're interested in selling digital products and making passive income. That video is free to watch. So watch that and do not buy the digital marketing course. Also, quick side note, if you're interested in learning digital marketing as a skill, and that might be because you want a job in the field or because you're some other type of entrepreneur and you need help with your digital marketing for your business, you do not have to pay for a digital marketing course. I needed to learn digital marketing skills to help me with my Etsy shop and with my YouTube channel. When I wanted to learn digital marketing skills, I went on LinkedIn. They have like a 3-month long free trial for this like thing called LinkedIn Learning. And there's like a bunch of courses on LinkedIn Learning and you can literally take a course about anything. There's thousands of courses. This is not sponsored, by the way. But I signed up for the 3-month free trial and I took a digital marketing course. It's like Digital Marketing Foundations, I think. It was like the most basic digital marketing course that you could take. It was self-paced. So I took the course, I watched the videos, I did the little quizzes. It took me a couple hours to finish that. Once I finished it, I got this like certification of completion that I was able to put on my LinkedIn profile and on my resume. And then guess what? I canceled my membership before the free trial expired. So whether you want to learn how to make passive income through digital products, I've got free videos for you. I've also got videos on my channel about digital marketing. And if you want to learn the in-depth science of digital marketing specifically because you want a job in the field, go take a course for free, girl. You do not have to pay somebody $500 for a digital marketing ebook that teaches you how to resell the same ebook. Please don't do that. Okay, I'm glad I got all that off my chest. I'm sorry if I sounded really frustrated in this video, but it is my biggest pet peeve in the making money online space when content creators and influencers are intentionally preying on people in their audience who are already struggling financially. That's so messed up. So please don't pay for that course or that ebook. Learn what you can for free. If you found this video helpful and you want to help other people, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button below. That's going to tell YouTube's algorithm to share this video with as many people as possible. I would love for 2026 to be the year that this digital marketing scam dies. And if you want to start your own business journey and learn legitimate ways to make passive income online, I post a bunch of tutorials and guides, and I'm sharing my own journey as I pursue financial freedom through online entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.